In fact, the DTI, Department of Agriculture, last February signed a memorandum of agreement with the Clark International Airport Corporation for the development of a mega agricultural food hub in their aviation complex, ensuring appropriate infrastructure and logistical assets. This will be strategic to our food supply chain capabilities in the region and beyond, as the Department of Agriculture will take charge with crafting the guidelines, policies, and public engagement. Our department will be assisting with the marketing and investment sourcing for this project. We know that competition and market demand in anything will always make for an uphill battle, which is why creativity and authority are always part of the equation. Commitment should be collective and simultaneous, and action must be comprehensive and accessible. What we are doing, what IFEX Philippines continues to bring to the global table, I believe, are tangible examples of progressive development. We value the impact of creativity as much as we believe in leadership and integrity in public service and private practice. IFEX Philippines allows us to experience this through innovation in the quality of our Filipino cuisine, products, services, all under one roof. So today, I invite all of you to be part of our mission of growth and sustainability. As food traditions go, as one hand passes the delectable plate to another to share in this global salo-salo, together, let us experience the food, connect with the people behind the products, and hopefully let IFEX Philippines be your top-mind, experiential, and sourcing destination for all your food journeys. Let's bring out those wallets. So Saiten, you make things happen sa Bagong Pilipinas. Congratulations to Saiten for this exciting event. And again, welcome everyone to IFEX Philippines 2024.